In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the screenshot and sharing features in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, capturing clear visuals of your charts for analysis, sharing, or archiving can greatly enhance your trading experience. TradingView simplifies this with a built-in screen capture tool, making it easy to snapshot your charts and share them in a few simple clicks. First, let's locate this nifty feature. On the top right corner of your TradingView chart, you'll spot a camera icon nestled in the toolbar. This icon is your gateway to various screenshot functionalities. Clicking on it will open a menu with several options that let you decide how you want to handle the snapshot of your chart. The first option you'll see is Download Image. Selecting this saves your chart snapshot directly to your computer. This is particularly useful when you want to maintain a collection of charts for offline review or include them in presentations or reports. If you're planning to use the chart image in other applications, such as Discord or Telegram chats, you might find the Copy Image option more fitting. This will send the chart directly to your clipboard, allowing for quick pasting wherever you need it. Another convenient feature is the Copy Link option. This generates a shareable link to your chart snapshot. It's perfect for sending to colleagues, friends, or sharing in online trading communities for feedback or discussion without the need to attach files. Additionally, if you want to take a closer look at your snapshot outside the TradingView platform, Open a new tab will open the chart image in a new browser tab, giving you a larger view for detailed analysis without the toolbars and overlays you see in the normal interface. Lastly, for those who like to share insights or analysis on social platforms, TradingView provides a feature to tweet image directly to your X account, formerly known as Twitter. This integration allows traders to engage with their audience by easily sharing visual updates of their market insights right from the TradingView interface. If capturing more than just static images is what you're after, you can explore advanced options for chart screen recording. Although TradingView doesn't directly support video captures, you can utilize external tools like the Windows Game Bar or software such as OBS Studio. These tools can record your trading process, including real-time changes and annotations on your charts, in video format. This is especially popular for creating tutorials or in-depth market analyses. And there you have it, an overview of the screenshot and sharing functionalities in TradingView. These features are designed to help traders document and disseminate their ideas and insights effectively. With just a few clicks, you can capture, save, and share valuable information, making your trading workflow smoother and more productive. Happy trading, and remember, sharing your insights can be just as rewarding as making that perfect trade.